Hello everyone, in this video we are starting exercise 9.1 and the first question is identify the terms and their coefficient for each of the following expressions. These are certain expressions and you have to find the terms and coefficients for these expressions. To identify the terms, or you can say to find the terms, you can distinguish them by the number of signs the expression has. Means in this expression we are having two signs, one of negative, and here because nothing is written, this can be considered as positive. So we can say here are two terms. In second we have three signs, 1, 2 and one sign will be with 1. So in this case we are having three terms. In this case also this should be one term, this should be another term, and last one this should be another term, and same case goes with rest of the followings. So in first case the terms are 5x y z square. This is the first term, comma minus 3zy, and this is the second term. In second question, 1 is one term, x is another term, and x square is another term. In third question, we know that this should be one term, so 4x square y square should be one term, minus 4x square y square z square should be another term, and the last one is z square because this should be the last term. In question number 4, this should be the first term. So in question number 4, 3 should be one term, minus PQ should be another term, minus QR should be another term, and the last one should be minus RP. And you can easily find what should be the terms in question number 5 and question number 6. Question number 5, this should be one term, this should be another, and this should be the last term. And again in question number 6 we have three terms. And in second part you have to find the coefficients. In this case we have to find the constant coefficients for this particular question. In first term, let's see with this. In this first term we are having only one constant coefficient. So in first term 5 is the coefficient, and in second term minus 3 is the constant coefficient for this particular expression. So minus 3 should be the coefficient for the another term. Same case with this. In first term 1 should be the coefficient because here it is 1. In second also 1 should be the constant coefficient, or you can say numerical coefficient. If here is nothing written, we can consider it as 1. And in the last term also 1 is the constant coefficient. In question number 3, in first expression 4 is the constant coefficient. In second term minus 4 is the constant coefficient, and in the last if nothing is written we can consider it as 1. So in the last term 1 is the coefficient. In question number 4 again, in first term 3 is the coefficient, in the second term minus 1 is the coefficient, in third one again minus 1 is the coefficient, and last one minus 1 again is the coefficient. Same case you can solve the rest of the questions. In question number 5, if we write the coefficient, so 1 upon 2 should be the coefficient, because if you write the terms it can be written as 1 upon 2x, this should be the first term. In second case y 1 upon 2 should be the second and last xy. So in first case 1 by 2 should be the coefficient. In second case again 1 by 2 should be the coefficient, and the third one -1 should be the coefficient. The last one we can simply identify the terms and as well as coefficients. In sixth question 0.3 or you can say 0.3 is the coefficient. In second term -0.6 is the coefficient, and the last 0.5 is the coefficient for this particular question. Thank you.